Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 9SE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. You need to start by going into settings and scrolling all the way down. Now choose system and updates, click on simple mode and choose enable. And now, as you can see, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you can always do that by tapping on settings and choosing exit simple. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!